I have only 2 tools to share with you today, but they are really important if you want to get work done fast in CorelDRAW. Hi, welcome to CorelDRAW Techniques. My name is John Allred. Do you want to save time when you're creating your drawings? Well, CorelDRAW has the perfect tools to help you out. Come on, let's take a look at them. This will be a fairly short video today. I only have 2 tools to show you, and they're very important. They'll save you an awful lot of time, especially if you start using the keyboard shortcuts instead of using the mouse to select. All right, we're talking about the Zoom tool. You'll notice that the Zoom tool has 2 states, either zoom or pan, and you reach those through the keyboard shortcuts Z or H. Okay, let me select zoom. And let me put this back on screen here. Zoom is Z and pan is H. All right, now I can zoom anywhere I want to, obviously. Right click and back out. And that's simple. There are several states up here. Your zoom level is shown in this box on the property bar. And also you have a few icons that are available. Now, I have this block of text selected here, so you'll see what's happening. All right, I can zoom in with the zoom key. I can also use Control and the plus key. And I can use F3 to zoom out or click on the button here. This one is zoom to selected, so I'll zoom into that text. So let me zoom back out. All right, see where I am now. Okay, if I take my cursor off of that text, don't have anything selected, then you'll see zoom to selected is no longer available. Now I want to zoom to all objects, and that will give me all of the objects on the page and will show within the visible window of the program. And just let me put something out here to show you what that'll do. So let's put this way down here. Okay, not selected. All right, so zoom to objects, and that puts every object on the page within the visible area of the window. All right, let me take this one off and click that same icon again. So this is zoom to all objects, and that will give me just these. All right, I can zoom to page, which is a little wider zoomed out. That shows the page borders, and it wouldn't matter if I had this like I did before. If I click on zoom to page, it's going to zoom to the page just like it did before. So if I take this object off and zoom to page again, we're right where we are. Okay, I can zoom to page width, and I can zoom to page height. Now, we're in the zoom state with Z. I'm going to zoom in here. Now I'm going to hit the H key for pan. You see how it changes to hand? And then I can click and drag with the left mouse key. Now I want to zoom in some more, so let me press Z, and then I can just zoom. Go back to hand. Let's see, I'm stay with Z. Okay, I'm going to use the smooth tool. I want that a little smaller, so make it 0.3. Okay, I'm going to zoom in just so I can see this really closely. Okay, and I forgot to select it. Now I'm selected. Now I've got the smooth tool, and now I can smooth that. Okay, now if I don't want to do what's in between, I can hit the hand key, left click, go over to the side, go back to my tool here, and then act on those. And press Z, right click, and I can zoom out and see what I did to both of these. Okay. So I smoothed here and here. And that's the zoom and the pan tool. If you got useful information out of this video, then I hope you'll take a second to click on the like button down below, and also to click the subscribe button if you like this sort of video, and click the bell and you'll be notified when other videos come out from my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.